another 30-point game for Anthony Edwards. They cut it down to a single possession moments ago, and a turnover here. Porter Jr. off and running with Christian Brown to the rack, high off the window. Here's Jokic, spinning, tossing, and finishing.
Is incredibly difficult to defend.
18 points for Jokic. Towns, he got it. Big three there for Karl Anthony Towns. Ryan Rucco, JJ Redick, George Sedano with you. Our entire NBA on ESPN crew. Appreciate you hanging out with us. Been a fun game 3 in Minnesota. Denver 2-0 series lead. The lob to Gordon from Jokic. Murray's made a couple of pesky defensive plays in this fourth. Here's Murray behind the back. Jokic too pretty. Murray's made a couple of pesky defensive plays in this fourth. Here's Murray behind the back. Jokic too pretty. Gordon wisely peels back. Jokic to the corner. Porter Jr. will take. You bet. Up ahead to Porter Jr. He attacks and lays. And these fans witness another Minnesota team dropping a playoff game. As that will do it, the Denver Nuggets take a commanding 3-0 series lead over the Timberwolves. 120-111 the final here in Game 3.